A woman who works at a dry cleaner's shared this trick for yellowed pillows with me. It helps restore their fresh, clean appearance. Start by making a homemade cleaning mixture using just a few simple ingredients. Grab a container and begin with laundry detergent, which helps loosen dirt, freshen the fabric, and leave behind a pleasant scent. Next, add a small amount of vinegar to help soften the material, remove unpleasant odors, and clean the surface more thoroughly. Then add a little baking soda, which helps break down built-up residue, neutralize odors, and boost the effectiveness of the mixture. The next ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, which helps brighten light-colored fabrics and refresh their appearance. You'll also need fabric softener. Measure out 1 capful and add it to the mixture. It will leave a pleasant fragrance, soften the fabric, and make the pillow feel softer to the touch. Pour in some warm water and mix everything thoroughly. Now take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the prepared solution, and squeeze out the excess water well. Spread the cloth out, place the iron on top, and gather the corners around it to create a simple cleaning cover. Take your yellowed pillow, place the cloth-covered iron on the fabric, and gently move it across the surface. The heat helps refresh the fibers and gives the pillow a cleaner, fresher appearance. Once you're finished, you'll notice that the yellow perspiration stains have faded and the fabric looks like new again. The pillow will regain its bright, fresh appearance. Enjoy a soft, refreshed pillow that once again looks clean, inviting, and perfect for relaxing. Put your dirty socks in a bowl with water like this. They'll be clean and regain their white color. I don't waste time scrubbing socks anymore. I remove the dirt from them, but I don't have to rub them with my hands. Anyone who has white socks knows they get dirty quickly. They can turn gray and dirty in no time. If your socks look like this too, get a bowl ready and do what I do. Pour half a liter of hot water. Take baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing dirt. Measure out 1 tablespoon, put it in the bowl with water, and mix well until it dissolves. You need dishwashing liquid. It effectively removes various stains, even greasy ones. Measure out 1 tablespoon, and add it to the water. You also need vinegar. It softens water. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add them to the mixture. Stains and dirt will disappear faster thanks to it. Add another tablespoon of regular table salt. Our grandmothers already knew about the washing properties of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients dissolve. The laundry mixture is ready. Now just soak the socks in it. Leave them in this water for a few hours. If the socks are heavily soiled, you can increase the amounts of each ingredient. After a few hours in the water, your socks will be clean. The dirt will disappear. This mixture always works and handles the most soiled socks. The underwear will regain its snowy white color without the use of chlorine bleach. Pour hot water, very hot, into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to it. This is a commonly known product for its whitening properties. If you don't have baking soda, you can use 3 or 4 packages of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture with soda in it, so it has a weaker effect than soda alone. Also, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. Salt whitens and removes stains. Our grandmothers already used it for this purpose when doing laundry. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, preferably designed for white clothes. Mix everything with a spoon or spatula. Immerse the cotton underwear, soak it thoroughly, and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Take it out of the bowl and put it in the washing machine as usual with other white items and wash it. Delicate lingerie, lace panties, and bras will look like new. You can also whiten them with another home method. In a bowl of warm water, not boiling, add baking soda and laundry detergent for white clothes in the same proportion. It can be 2 tablespoons for a smaller amount of items. Dissolve them well and soak the lingerie. Leave it to soak for about 20 minutes and wash it as usual in the washing machine on the Delicate Fabrics program. After washing, you will notice the difference. The lingerie will be much whiter. How to wash curtains to make them white again? After a few weeks,
Curtains turn gray and lose their snowy white color, especially curtains hanging in the kitchen and dining room. Not only dust and dirt settle on them, but also grease. If you don't have time to soak them before washing in the machine, prepare a sock. Put 2 tablespoons of salt in it, add a little dishwashing liquid. But not too much, so that there is not too much foam. Throw this salt and dishwashing liquid bundle into the washing machine with the curtains. Add a laundry capsule as usual, and pour a little vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. This will refresh the whiteness and help remove strong stains. Curtains will be like new after washing. However, you will achieve better results if you soak the curtains before washing. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into a bowl of warm water. For a better effect, adding at least 1 tablespoon of baking powder is sufficient. Instead of baking powder, you can use baking soda, depending on what you have in your kitchen cabinet. Soak the curtains in this water, and then wash them as usual in the washing machine. You'll get rid of dirt, and the curtains will be snowy white again after just 1 wash.
Throw a smelly and stained towel into the pan. This way you can save all your kitchen towels. Let me show you how this trick works. Take the towel you want to bring back to life and put it in the sink. Squeeze about 2 inches of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry helpers and works great at removing stains and discoloration. Next, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt on the towel with the toothpaste. Finally, pour some dish soap over it. Now soak the towel in hot but not boiling water. The entire towel should be completely wet so the ingredients can work better. Use chopsticks or tongs to stir the towel so it absorbs more water. After 1 hour, take it out and wash it normally in the washing machine. After washing, you'll notice the difference. The towel will be much whiter than before and free from stains and unpleasant odors. Get rid of yellow stains in just a few seconds. Yellow stains on your blouse can be quite troublesome and hard to remove, especially when they've deeply penetrated the fabric. Often, traditional cleaning products aren't enough, so it's helpful to know an effective method. Take a larger glass bowl and prepare hydrogen peroxide, which has bleaching properties that will help effectively remove the stains. Add a little to the bowl. Then add vinegar, which is an ideal ingredient for whitening clothes at home. It works as a stain remover and helps dissolve any remaining dirt. The final key ingredient is dish soap, whose cleaning properties make it effective at removing stains without damaging the fabric. Add some dish soap. Lastly, pour in warm water and mix everything together so the ingredients combine. Finally, place the stained item into the bowl. If the stain is more stubborn, leave it for a moment. Scrub the stain against the fabric thoroughly, then rinse. If you're wondering how to get rid of yellow stains, this method is perfect. Your blouse will be snow white and look as good as new. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick.